25-22, UST winning set number 1.
Again. No, we kept saying it. That match, it was really close, but FEU just committed a lot of unforced errors, service errors, and UST slowly but surely accepted the free gifts from FEU with open arms, and they were able to win that set.
And I guess yun nga, tama ka dun, it was a set determined by errors, hindi by the kind of play that both teams put on the floor.
Yeah, and we were saying also that UST actually very lucky in that first set because they did not receive very well. As a result, we didn't even hear from Micah Ortiz. And, you know, they were just lucky that they went through the motions and FEU committed errors, so FEU gave the set actually to them. Sorry to say.
Ano, parang gift wrap. Wins sa set number 1 para sa UST, which obviously puts FEU in a weird way, puts them in a better position kasi if they play better than what they played in set number 1, they stand a good chance of really winning set number 2.
That's right. Yeah, you're right. And you know, they should have used that to their advantage when UST played slow, started slow. They actually didn't pick up in that first set. They should have, you know, made the most out of that first set. And you can see the numbers in terms of attacks, pretty much even, 12-11 blocks. FEU actually blocking better, 3 to none. But look at the unforced errors. That's what made all the difference there in that first set. 11 compared to 5.
UST, on the other hand, must not relax, and based on previous performances, that's the tendency of UST, ano? Kaya nga nung last game nila against Adamson, it was a win-loss per set, ano? They can't really relax. They need to step up because obviously FEU will understand what they did wrong in set number 1 and will try to minimize those 11 unforced errors.
That's a lot of errors. And you mentioned it earlier, they were leading at one point about 3 or 4 points, and then they committed
4 straight.
4 straight, and that was that.
Caballejo winding up good for that. Agno picking it up. Vargas. They go back to Caballejo.
Oh, easy does it for Julian Caballejo. She also has been quiet here in this match, but that play, just a simple placement, topspin shot.
And also poor spacing by FEU that time. Kita mo, dalawang players collide. And it seems like the player behind Vargas could have gotten to the ball better, pero kinuha ni Vargas with one hand. And that was the error, was the result. 2-0.
Well, a miscue there. I'm talking about FEU, but then FEU gets a point right now.
So a free one off the error by UST. 1 serving 2. That's Giselle C., the starting setter. Ni Coach Kid Santos, back set para kay Ortiz. She is rejected by Vargas.
Good coverage by FEU.
That wasn't the perfect set para kay Ortiz, pero she made do with what was given to her.
Well, you know, I'm sure she's so hungry for that first, yung solid kill. The type or the brand of play of Micah Ortiz, but she'll take that.
Yeah.
Still a point.
However you can get it. 3-1, set number 2 in favor of UST. Dawson is blocked. Free ball para sa UST. Go to Tunay in the middle, yes.
You know, UST obviously has developed that play in Tunay, getting the differential, and it has been working well for them.
And as you can see, nalito ang depensa ng FEU. Everybody went to Ortiz.
Yes.
Kaya nabakante si Tunay in the middle because they are so afraid of Ortiz starting to get hot, ano?
That's right. And good job there. Good setting job by UST.
4-1. Off to a good start ulit ang UST. Vargas powers that one in, pero nasagot. Nilantin, good defense behind the blockers. Rojas off to the other side. Vargas again, rejected again. Rojas.
Good adjustment by UST in terms of blocking.
That's true, Caballejo. Ooh, off the hands of Rojas. Or make that Basas. 6. Or make that 5-1 in set number 2 in favor of UST. Puntahan natin itong timeout ni Coach Kid Santos.
Magaling. Depensa lang tayo. Ala pa naman bola, takbuhan na naman, takbuhan. Lintik na namang takbuhan na walang katuturan yan. Saan ka pumunta na naman? Wala ka sa posisyon. Wala ka sa posisyon. Pwede pumalo, di ba? Pumusisyon kayo ng maayos. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, hanggat wala yung bola, yan ang ready natin. Pagka sinet na, saka pumuesto kayo ng maayos.
Pag lumayo yung bola sa net, huwag yun ang block tapos yung depensa, abangan nyo na kagad yung cross-court.
Para mag-adjust sila.
Kita nyo, medyo galit na si Coach Kid Santos. Unnecessary movement, I guess, was he's pointing at, ano, galaw kayo ng galaw, wala naman kayong gagawin masyado. I mean, just stay put so that you're in position defensively because I put you there for a reason.
Yeah.
And if you keep moving around, masisira yung ating depensa.
Tsaka sometimes people over-anticipate it. They'll think it's coming here, it's not yet there, and then
Ano?
it'll be deflected, it'll go somewhere else. So, yeah, you just have to just wait. You don't have to keep moving.
Yeah, make the game a lot simpler than, you know, what you think it's gonna do to you. Pero even the offense right now of FEU suffering a block on Vargas there. It's a 6-1 advantage by UST in set number 2. They also have one set in the bag already. Oh, poor reception pa para sa FEU. Too many problems right now for the Lady Tamaraws. Let's go courtside and check in with Tina Marasigan.
For this set, Coach Oji wants to see more diagonal hits, calling Judy Caballejo. He doesn't want to see his girls targeting the blocker and the libero of FEU. Sabi pa niya, ang guluhan niyo naman ang mga palo niyo at the early part of the first set. Napansin rin ni Coach Oji na pababa ang energy nila maglaro. Good thing that they bounced back and now they want to be the one to dictate the tempo of the game and not to just go with the flow. Erica Narin.
All right, thank you, Tina. Nakita nga natin yun, yung level of play ng UST bumaba. Pag-usapan nga natin, nanalo sila sa unforced errors ng FEU. So obviously, you want to win a game, pero you don't want to win it that way.
Yeah, that's right. And, you know, FEU, like Coach Kid even realized and told his girls, you know, our errors really. So far here, UST, actually, it's bad news for FEU because UST has come alive here in the second set.
Vargas partially blocked. Here comes Tunay, and Tunay check ball, point again para sa UST. What a start! A blistering one for the Tigresses here in set number 2. They're up by 6, 8-2 over FEU.